Alright guys, quick build run through of one that we've just completed for our friends at Bush Heli Services up in Clermont, Queensland. They came to us looking for a heavy duty trailer that they can use out west with obviously quite a heavy payload on the back and a full 4.5 ton setup. So we'll dive right in and start at the start here. So you've got the 70mm coupling to go 4.5 ton compliant along with our chassis, our C-section one of a kind chassis. They chose the optional drawbar box at the front for extra straps, tooling, etc., which is fully sealed and lockable. They also went with the headboard, which ties in nicely with the canopy. This is a fully removable headboard, so they can take that off completely. The canopy at the back is a 1200 canopy, full aluminium construction, TIG welded, 2.5mm aluminium. It's also got a steel base frame as well, so you can lift that off with some lift off legs. And then moving behind the canopy, obviously we've got our full drop sides around the backs and on the sides that come up flush mount to our canopy. These can obviously all be taken off completely, so you can have one flat deck. This guy had the option of the 1,000 litre tanks for his aviation fuel for his helicopter. So he's got two of these mounted on the back, which are all mounted on a skid, which is fully lift off with the use of the fork pockets on the side. Then he's also got his fuel pump, which is at the back, obviously to remove the liquid from the tanks. And then to finish it off, he's got a water tank, which is a bit hard to see, but it's under the tray there, which is a 150 litre aluminium TIG welded water tank. And yeah, that's a quick run through of the build, guys. If you're chasing something similar, reach out to us. Cheers.